Morning, Mark. Here it's Friday, September the 12th, just after 8 a.m. Eastern. That's just after noon GMT. US session just started. Let's have a look how the US dollar is performing as the US session gets underway. I'm on the daily chart. You can see the green candlestick. So US dollar is starting on the front foot today. I've got support at 97.07, matching yesterday's support. Resistance 97.39, and US dollar looking strong as the US session gets underway. If I look at the hourly, there you can see started during the European session and going into the US session, strong US dollar to start. Let's have a look how the majors are standing. Euro US. There you see the red candlestick that's selling euro, buying US, strong US dollar to start. I've got resistance at 117.48, matching yesterday's high. Support at 117.10. Let's zoom in on that hourly. And there you can see coming down, selling euro, buying US dollar strength going into the US open, and sellers of euro, buyers of US looking down at the 117.10 support area. Let's have a look at the pound. Also strong US dollar to start, like the euro. I've got resistance 135.75, support established at 135.28, coming down and testing support. There you see on the hourly, has tested lower. Buyers of pound in the last few hours in the European session did look to bounce up off the support level, but US dollar strength continuing and looking down at this 135.28 support level. US dollar against the yen. Strong US dollar. No fight back from the yen as yet. I've got support at 147.17. I've got resistance at 147.97. That'll be testing the 148 yen resistance level. We'll see how strong that is on the hourly. There you can see off that support level, resistance 147.97, and US dollar buyers looking up to test this resistance. US dollar Canadian. There you see strong US dollar again, support 138.32, resistance at 138.48, testing that resistance right now. Buyers will be looking up higher than the 138.42. We've got yesterday's high all the way up at 138.89. Sellers, of course, will be looking to test or break below this support level. So going into the US session, which has just got underway, we're seeing strong US dollar across the board. We see it on the index against all the majors, testing the intraday respective resistance and support levels. We'll see whether US dollar strength can continue. Alternatively, if we're going to get a turnaround from a strong US dollar to weak US dollar, we've got our resistance support levels to work with. Good trading.